Hey y'all, it's Sharita, also known as Gracefully Natural, and if you're interested in my DIY hair mask for deep conditioning, keep watching. So we're going to use organic fenugreek powder, Jamaican black castor oil, organic extra virgin olive oil. I'm using gloves, which are optional, a mixing bowl and an applicator brush, neem powder, 100% natural henna powder, organic Amla powder, Msm powder, and I'm using the vegan version, pure vitamin C, and I will also be using some essential oils. I'll use rosemary, tea tree, and peppermint, and also my choice of regular conditioner. So if you're interested in seeing how I create this mask, then keep on watching. So before I get started, I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe down the bowl to make sure there's no debris inside the bowl, and also wipe down the applicator brush. Next, I'm going to take that glove, and this is optional. You do not have to use a glove, and you want to make sure your hands are clean before you start. I'm taking this Suave Keratin conditioner. It's just one that I had laying around the house, and you want to make sure that you use enough so that you won't run out while you're applying your conditioner. Next, I'm going to take this Msm powder, and it comes with a little scooper inside, and I'm just going to take one scoop of this powder and add it to this conditioner. Next, I'll take the pure vitamin C, and it also comes with a scooper, and I'll just take one scoop of this and apply it in the conditioner as well. Next, I'll take the henna powder, and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of this henna powder into this mixture. And I'm just really eyeballing this, but if you want accurate measurements, then just make sure that you use some measuring cups and measuring spoons. Alright, so moving on from that, the next product that we'll use is this organic Amla powder. And the same thing, you want to use at least 1 tablespoon of this. The neem powder. I'm going to use this little scooper that came in the MSM box because I don't want to use a lot of it, but this is about a teaspoon and a half of this powder. The fenugreek powder, again using the scooper, and I'm going to scoop out 2. I don't know why I lost my train of thought, but I'm going to scoop out just 2 of these and add it to the mixture. I'm sorry. So next I'm going to use the extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just pouring this in, but this is about 1/2 cup. Next, the Jamaican black castor oil, and this is about 1/4 of a cup. And now I'm going to use the essential oils, and for each one I'm going to take about 10 drops of each oil and add it to this mixture. That was the peppermint oil. Now I'm going to use the rosemary oil. I'm sorry. About 10 drops. And lastly, I will use the tea tree oil. And for some reason, this didn't want to come out of the dropper as easy as the other ones did, so I had to shake it to get it, but about the same, 10 drops. And so lastly, you want to take your applicator brush and start to mix and blend in all of those products together. You want to mix and blend until you get a creamy consistency. So the key here is just to mix, blend until everything is blended together and it's ready for the application process. So I'll just let you watch as I mix and blend this together. Alright, we're all done, and you can see the consistency of this mixture. All the products have been blended very well and are mixed and ready to apply in my hair, which I'll do now. So I'm just showing you now that my hair has been freshly cleansed, and you can see my curls starting to form without any product, and you can see the thickness of my hair, and it's ready for me to apply this DIY deep conditioner hair mask. So let go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to speed this up, but I'm parting my hair into 4 sections, and I'm showing you how much I'm going to use starting off, but I want to make sure that every part of my hair, every strand is coated. So I'm not going to continue to talk. I'll just let you see how I'm applying this mixture. But yeah, I really like it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this, if you use every single product that I use in this video, or if you tweaked it a little bit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.